Your phone is probably full of crochet ideas you saved but never made, and there's a reason for that. Most of what you see online right now is not just pretty, it's changing the way people decorate their homes. And in 2026, it's only getting bigger. I'm not talking about your grandma's doily on the kitchen table. I'm talking about chunky woven wall hangings that sell for hundreds of dollars on Etsy. Mushroom lamps, flower market tote bags, boho plant hangers that people are putting in every corner of their living rooms. Crochet has gone from a quiet hobby to one of the biggest trends in handmade home decor right now. And if you're not paying attention, you're genuinely missing out. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the most popular cozy crochet home decor pieces that are blowing up in 2026, why people can't stop buying and making them, and how you can actually use this trend whether you're a total beginner or someone who's been crocheting for years. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's the thing. Home decor has been shifting for a while now. People got tired of the cold, gray, minimalist look that was everywhere for years. You know what I'm talking about. White walls, concrete surfaces, nothing that actually felt warm or personal. And then something flipped. People started wanting homes that felt lived in, cozy, real. They wanted textures and colors and things that looked like a human actually made them with their hands. And that's exactly where crochet stepped in. There's something about a handmade piece that no store-bought item can copy. When you walk into a room and there's a big, chunky crochet blanket draped over a chair or a handmade basket holding all your plants, it just feels different. It feels like somebody cared. And in a world where everything is mass-produced and shipped in a flat pack box, that feeling is actually rare. People are craving it. And the internet noticed. TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, all of it started pushing crochet home decor content hard, and the views and saves went through the roof. Certain pieces in particular started going completely viral, and that's where things get really interesting. Let me walk you through the specific pieces that are absolutely having a moment right now. First up, wall hangings. Not the tiny ones. I'm talking big statement wall hangings with a long fringe, layered textures, maybe some wooden beads or driftwood through the top. These have been popular for a few years, but in 2026, the style has evolved. People are going bigger and bolder with colors. Earthy tones are still strong, think rust, cream, olive, terracotta, but now you're also seeing people go for dusty pinks and sage greens, which look incredible on a neutral wall. The reason these are so popular is simple. A good wall hanging can completely transform a blank wall without you needing to hang a piece of art that costs a fortune. And when you make it yourself, it costs maybe $10 to $15 in yarn and a few hours of your time. But people on Etsy are charging anywhere from $60 to $200 for them. If you've ever thought about selling your crochet work, wall hangings are one of the best places to start. Next, crochet baskets and bowls. This one might sound basic, but hear me out because the way people are making and using them right now is really creative. Chunky cotton yarn bowls are being used as fruit bowls, plant pot covers, storage for remotes and charging cables, bread baskets. Basically, anywhere you'd normally use a boring plastic or wicker container, people are replacing those with something handmade, and it looks so much better. The trend right now is going either very neutral, white, beige, natural cotton, or going full color with bold stripes or color block designs. Both look great, and they're actually not that hard to make once you get the hang of working in the round. Even if you've only been crocheting for a few months, a basic basket is absolutely within reach. Now, mushroom lamps. Okay, this one is genuinely one of my favorite trends. Crochet mushroom lamps started appearing on TikTok, and the response was huge. The idea is simple. You crochet a mushroom shape, usually with a cute little spotted cap, and you put a small LED light inside it. The yarn diffuses the light in this really soft, warm, dreamy way, and it looks amazing as a bedside lamp or on a shelf. There are different sizes people are making too. Some are tiny, like decoration-only pieces, and some are big enough to actually function as a real lamp. The aesthetic is very cottagecore, very cozy, and it appeals to a huge audience right now. If you search mushroom crochet lamp on any platform, you'll see just how many people are obsessed with this. And because it combines crochet with a functional item, it feels extra special. Let's talk about plant hangers. Macrame has been popular for a while, but crochet plant hangers are now giving it serious competition. The texture you can get with crochet, the little holes, the patterns, the way it stretches slightly around the pot looks incredible. People are hanging multiple ones together at different heights to create a whole little indoor jungle vibe, and it looks stunning. The best part about crochet plant hangers is that they're beginner-friendly. You're essentially working in a tube, adding some increases, some chains for the hanging part, and you're done. A basic plant hanger takes maybe 2 to 3 hours if you're new and gets faster every time after that. And they make incredible gifts too, especially if someone you know is into plants. Throw blankets. These are never going away, but the style right now is very specific. Chunky, textured blankets with interesting stitch patterns, things like the bobble stitch, the waffle stitch, or the moss stitch, are dominating. The bobble stitch in particular creates this beautiful 3D texture that looks absolutely incredible when it's draped over a sofa or the end of a bed. Color-wise, people are going for warm, muted tones. Camel, dusty lilac, deep forest green, creamy off-white. These colors work well in almost any room, and they photograph really nicely too, which matters a lot when you're sharing your work online or listing it for sale. Now, I want to address something that comes up a lot, which is the idea that crochet is only for experienced crafters, because that is genuinely not true, and it's something that stops a lot of people from even trying. Every single item I just mentioned has a beginner-friendly version. Wall hangings can be made with basic slip knots and single crochet. Baskets can be made with just one stitch, the single crochet, worked in a spiral. Plant hangers are mostly chains and simple stitches. Mushroom lamps, while they look impressive, use very basic amigurumi techniques that are actually a great way to learn how to crochet in the round. The biggest barrier people face isn't skill, it's thinking they need to be skilled before they start. The reality is, crochet is one of those crafts where you learn incredibly fast because your hands start to remember the movements, and before you know it, the stitches become automatic. Most people can make their first finished item within their first week of learning. If you're completely new, the best thing you can do is start with a simple basket or a small flat square. Get comfortable with the basic movements. Then try a plant hanger. Then try a wall hanging. Give yourself maybe a month, and you'll genuinely surprise yourself with what you can make. And for those of you who already crochet, this is your sign to lean into the home decor space if you haven't already. Whether you want to make pieces for your own home, give them as gifts, or start selling, there has never been a better time. The demand is there, the aesthetic is there, people are actively looking for handmade pieces because they want something that feels personal and unique, and that's exactly what you can give them.